Writesonic AI Tool Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my review of Writesonic, an advanced AI writing tool designed for marketers, content creators, and businesses aiming to produce high-quality, engaging content quickly and efficiently. Links to the tool are included in the description for your convenience. Let's dive straight into its features. Writesonic excels in generating diverse types of content, including blog posts, ads, product descriptions, emails, and even website copy. The AI is powered by GPT-4, ensuring the content is coherent, contextually relevant, and tailored to your input. One standout feature is the ability to choose from over 100 templates, making it a versatile tool for various industries. Whether you need catchy ad headlines, SEO-optimized articles, or creative social media captions, Writesonic delivers with minimal effort. The tool also supports multiple languages, catering to global audiences, a significant advantage for businesses targeting international markets. For long-form content, the AI article writer helps you go from an idea to a polished draft in minutes, offering options to refine tone, style, and depth. It also includes a paraphrasing tool, summarizer, and grammar checker to fine-tune your output. Who is Writesonic for? This tool is perfect for solo entrepreneurs who need to save time, marketers looking to streamline content production, and agencies managing multiple clients. However, it's not just for professionals. Students and casual users can also benefit from its ease of use and creative potential. What sets Writesonic apart is its intuitive interface. The dashboard is clean and user-friendly, making it easy for beginners to start generating content immediately. Additionally, its affordability with tiered plans ensures there's an option for everyone, whether you're a hobbyist or a high-volume user. In summary, Writesonic is a powerhouse AI tool for anyone needing fast, quality content. Its diverse features, multilingual support, and scalability make it a top choice in the AI writing space. Check it out through the links below, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.